Hi, I'm Carl Faust. I'm a director with Linked Equipment, and we've been getting a lot of interest in people looking for tiny homes and homes built from shipping containers. So I wanted to take a few minutes today and just dispel some myths, show you some different things that we do with shipping containers, and really how it works when you're going to be buying a tiny home or an alternative ADU, an alternative dwelling unit for your family. If you look out in the yard here, you'll see a number of different containers. First thing I kind of want to talk about would be the fact that people look at a container and they say, okay, it's maybe $5,000, $10,000. Yeah, I can build a tiny home now for 15 or 20 grand. It just doesn't work that way. I'm going to show you a little bit of what we do with these containers so you'll get a handle on just how involved it is. Let's take a look over here at one we're putting in a subfloor for. And if you notice, inside the container itself, we build with all the plumbing. There's going to be studs, ceiling racks, the whole 10 yards. All the plumbing goes below it, so you'll have your toilets, your washers, your dryers, whatever you need to be hooked up in here for it to be a house. This one's not a house, it's just going to basically be a toilet. But I can give you an idea, and then we step up to the next one over here. You'll get a chance to see what we're actually putting in these things. So this is actually a restroom shower combination we're building for a client in Sacramento. And if you take a step inside here, you're going to see what we're doing. We've got plumbing running the length of containers. We've got the walls are going to be, this is a vapor type of seal. There'll be insulation R30, R19 in the walls, R30 in the ceilings. All the plumbing is in underneath the subfloor, as well as any vents and everything else. All the electrics run inside here. These are some showers that you're going to be taking a look at right here. We're putting in. And again, it's the same thing with if I would put in a shower or what I would put in your kitchen sinks and your appliances. They're still going to be just like you would build a house. So what I would say is, an average stick build might be $250, $300 a square foot. We're probably still going to be coming in at $180 to $200 a square foot with these containers, because we're doing everything that you would inside of a container that you would if you were building it out of stick or building it out of wood. One of the things I want to mention is you want to start, before you even come to us, talk to your local building official. Ask them flat out, can I put a container house in there? He may tell you, no, we don't allow it in your county because we don't like the way they look. So find that out first, find out any kind of rules, regulations you have, then give us a call. We'd be glad to go through some different options with you. We have about 3 or 4 different models that we'd be looking at. We can do custom, but specifically we're probably looking at models ranging from 320 square feet up to about 1,250 square feet. That's just a short little video on really what it takes and what we do with these things. We'll be doing some more down the road. Thank you for your time. Bye.